Look at this thing. What do you see here? This is blue smoke coming out from your exhaust pipe. Don't worry, I'll tell you the causes and how you can fix it. I'll tell you 5 reasons why you're having blue smokes at the tailpipe of your engine. But you need to be aware that it is a blue smoke. Blue smoke is different from white smoke, and white smoke is different from black smoke. But when it comes to blue smoke, I'll tell you 5 reasons why it's coming out of your exhaust pipe. The truth is that when you're having blue smokes at your tailpipe of your exhaust, it simply means oil is burning. Oil is burning. So why your oil is burning? Let me tell you 5 reasons. Number 1 is that you are having bad valve stem seal. Bad valve stem seal ensure that the oil remain and does not get to the combustion chamber while your engine is running. Now when your engine is running, the oil is circulating the whole engine and it's getting to the top of the engine to ensure that the valve string is well lubricated. But this oil must not get to the combustion chamber, and with the help of your valve stem seal, it ensures that the oil does not get to the combustion chamber. But when it is become worn, it's damaged, it allows oil to pass through it and that get to the combustion chamber. That is number 1. And what is number 2? Valve stem guide. Valve stem guide. This guide, even if you are having a good valve oil seal, valve good seal, if the valve stem is bad, it will also allow the same thing to happen. It will still allow oil to go down to your combustion chamber. So apart from the valve stem seal, valve stem guide is also responsible for reason why you are having oil exhaust blue smoke coming out of your exhaust. So when you're having blue smoke coming out of your exhaust, you also need to pay attention to your valve stem guide. And what is number 3 is your PVC. Ensure that your PVC is not clogged. If you have a clogged PVC, it allows oil to go to your manifold, and when oil goes to your manifold, it gets burns, and that will also cause the engine to be emitting smoke from your exhaust. So you need to ensure that you check your PVC valve, ensure it is not clogged. If it is clogged, then you need to go for replacement. The next one I'm going to talk about, I've mentioned 3 now, is your piston rings. I know majority of you are waiting for this, because if you have a bad piston ring, the piston ring seals your combustion chamber. It ensures that the oil that lubricates the wall of your cylinder does not get to the top of the piston. Well, when it gets to the top of the piston, it will definitely burn. And when it's burning, what is the result? Look at the result: blue smokes. So to avoid this blue smoke, you need to ensure that your piston rings is good. How will you know if your piston ring is bad? You can just go for compression test. If you go for compression test, it will tell you the state of your piston rings. And number 5, and the last one I would like to mention is oil overfill. If you overfill your oil, it will cause oil burning, because the oil will build excessive pressure in the crankcase, and before you know it, the pressure will be too much for the rings to able to seal the cylinder, and the oil will look for means to get to the combustion chamber, and this will cause oil burning. So these are the 5 reasons why you are having blue smokes at your exhaust pipe. Please, since you know the cause, you should know how to go about it. For example, if you have a PVC issue, then you should know that you need to replace your PVC, or you need to clean the old one. So these are the reasons why you are having blue smoke at the startup of your engine. However, you need to note that if there is some minute, if you notice that the blue smoke disappear, that is to tell you that you are having bad valve stem pipe or bad valve stem guide. If at the back, after the startup of the engine for few minutes, for example 5 to 10 minutes, you notice that the the blue smoke disappear. That is to tell you that the valve stem seal or the valve stem guide is the cause of the problem. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for listening to me. Don't forget to subscribe and follow the channel. I have another video that is going to pop up immediately after this one that talk about how you can differentiate the causes of this blue smoke. Is it caused by the bad piston rings or bad valve stem seal? That is the video that will pop up immediately after this one. See you in that video.